I waino o ke kahi poe, ke noʻonoʻo ʻia nei o Kealoha, o ia ko Hawaiʻi loe a haku ʻāhaʻi poema o kēia wā. I loko no naʻe o kona hoʻolala ʻole i kēia, o ia ana kanahana o i hana.
Hands above us, guides us as our beacon. We wrap our wishes into its last visible sparkles. Let us fulfill the promises we made to our future generations. Let us build from the blueprint of our united nation. Let us come together as one. And so we stand hand in hand, open hearts to the rising sun, for a new day in Hawaii has just begun.
Ua loʻihi ko Kealoha huakaʻi I waino o kona one hana o Mauna Lua a me ka lā poni kia ʻaina ma Honolulu kauna.
Our childhood was real humble, and our parents, they were so loving and so caring, and so just like they pushed us to be the best that we could be.
Our father really pushed us to be independent thinkers, and education was a very important part of our lives. In whatever endeavors we do, be it school, be it sports, be it anything that brings us joy to our lives, they're completely supportive.
Aua mau no ke kupaʻa o ia kako o ma ko Kealoha hele kula ana I MIT no ka epekema nukelea a me ka hana pā o I hana ma ka palakiko ma mua o kona hoʻi ana mai I Hawaii ma ke ano he mea haku poema.
When I was living in San Francisco, I mean, I was a business consultant, so I was like wearing these suits and just being like super disconnected from the aina, disconnected from like where I wanted to go. I happened to just stumble upon a slam poetry event, and I went to it, and it rocked my world.
O keia mea o ka slam poetry, he hoʻohui ia ona ano mea haku hia like ole, e like me ka helu helu poema, ka hana keaka, ka hula hula, a me ka pā leo leo no hoʻi.
And I'd be resisting. You see, I don't deal well with monotony. When did watching TV ever become an activity? Letting time pass from a passive viewing, watching someone else do something we're not actually doing.
That artistic inspiration is ultimately what transformed me, and I felt like, you know what? I mean, number one, I want to immerse myself in this world, but number two, I want to bring this to other people.
Fluorescent yellows and reds in the places where there aren't any color. Dance for the moment, sculpt your life out of soil, and make the universe smile. Be the expressive process that is humanity. Tonight, I want you to think about your life, and tomorrow, I want you to live it.
Aua mōpopo leʻa ia Kealoha, kahi kūpono e hoʻi aku ai e hoʻalaha aku I kona mau manaʻo maikaʻi.
I stand rooted in this aina-like poetries from Manoa to Puhakuloa. There was always this nagging feeling that like, you know, I needed to come home. This is where my heart was at. Once you find that genre that speaks to you, whatever it is, you know, whatever like makes you happy and makes you stoked, then you gotta do it. We compose and we create, and then we pass that on, you know, and it just keeps going. Just keeps the ball rolling. Yeah, we never want to lose our oral tradition. Connect to your roots. Hear the rhythms of our ancestors smiling down on us each time we chant their chants, each time we dance their dances, each time we surf the waves that they did. Connect. We are the next generation carrying the flags of United Nations, stating truths of peace, love, unity, and respect. The products of global consciousness mixed with cultural pride. We ride waves to save our place in the history of the islands. We ride waves the way we make love on shining sands. We ride waves to play with times long past. Connect to your roots. Hear the rhythms of our ancestors smiling down at us each time we chant their chants, each time we dance their dances, each time we surf the waves that they did. Connect.